Hello, welcome to the channel. New content, new car. So we'll talk you around this one and show you what we've got here. Interior. Automatic, electric windows. I'm just looking to see if there's anything in here. What we got? Oh, we got Noel Gallagher's High Flying Birds album. And Gem's into that. We'll give that. That's a birthday present for my wife. What we got in here? Receipts. Oh, Cowsley 4x4. We buy parts off them.
4x4x4.
What else we got? Refurb property services. We got the wheel there, the lock, some water in the door. So it's actually got an MOT, this one. Main issue, somebody's badly painted the bonnet. You can see there's no Land Rover on it, so it's been badly painted, and that's happened there. Yeah, bendy thing. So it's going to have a bonnet, but the rest of the paint is good. It's a nice colour, that nice Land Rover green. It's got some nice wheels on it, nice alloys, good tyres all round. They're not anything I've heard of. Kratos. Do they all match? Kratos. Who are them tyres made by around that side? And the Kratos. Do they all match? Oh, free radio.
Yeah. Spare headlight points.
Oh, the spare is a Michelin. That is Kratos. So it's got 4 matching tyres and them all good. That's nice, but I don't know how good a tyre they are. But 4 matching tyres is good. At the bottom of the arches, it's good. Rear interior is nice as well. One bonus: seat's good. Very rarely seen a good driver's seat on a disco. Other bonus: no lights on the dash and 123,000 miles, which is a pretty low mileage Discovery. Is this the lowest one we've ever had? Is this the lowest mileage we've had? Or have we had a lower one? 115 maybe we had.
This is pretty, one of the lowest we've ever had, yeah.
Or was it? We had a blue one that was like 109,000 miles, I think. That was a facelift though. This is the 5-seater with the little cubbies. Is that where you've had all this stuff from, the cubbies?
Yeah, the radio.
So it's got the little cubby holes there. What's this? A bag. A bag that's had poo in it. We've got the wiper blades, but I believe them are old ones. Yeah, so we'll do the headliner on this one. And the sunroof's sealed then. Both sunroofs are sealed. So we'll cut that sealant out, we'll do the headliner, and we'll see if we can get the sunroofs to work. Because everybody likes a working sunroof and a non-leak. We did notice when we went to see that there's quite a bit of water in the boot. Just not actually on the carpet, but running around this area, and it was sort of running.
It was running down there.
From right down there.
That's what that puddle is there.
Yeah, so we've got a little bit here, but we'll sand that down and we'll paint it. The other thing is there's a crack somewhere in this bumper either. There's a crack there. So yeah, it's just them are coming off all the time, so we'll have to repair that there, maybe plastic weldy and then just fillery. But yeah, so far so good on this one. I think we've done all right.
Probably just a seal around these windows that's gone in there.
Yeah, well, we can tiger seal round there.
That's probably where that one's leaking.
Yeah, the only issue is it's got 2 keys. One of them for the fob works, one of them only the ignition key. So whether it's had the ignition barrel changed or I don't know, it might be a different key. Somebody's put the immobiliser and the thing into one with a different plate on it. What we got in here? So we got no lights on because this has been took from air to spring. Nice Philips radio. Turn that down. Clockworks. How the hell do you turn this off? Clockworks. Bonus. It's got the old style heater in it, so it hasn't got the like digital one in this one. So it's quite a low spec, but it has got electric windows. Let's test them all out. 1, 2, the back ones, 3, and 4. So sorted. All them windows work, and all the doors open and locked, are they? Let's try them. Locked, open. That's all of them as well. So all the doors are open and lock. That's one thing you've got to check. Let's pop the bonnet and have a look under there. The handbrake needs adjusting. It's automatic, but the gear's going well. It feels good. It's a crunchy or bouncy. Let's have a look under the bonnet. Dad, let's just push the lift under it and whack it up in the air for 5 minutes. We can have a... Has it? We'll have a look. Yeah, I know it needs a bit of welding. Normally it's under the R, but there's no R on this. Oh. It looks like the stick had fell down. Just off the top of the headlight there. So it's quite clean.